Hello, fellow digital entrepreneurs. Today, we're about to uncover the secrets of making money online. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or start a full-blown online business, this video has got you covered. So stay tuned because we're about to embark on a journey to financial freedom. 1. Online freelancing. Let's kick things off with online freelancing. I'll show you how to turn your skills into cash. From writing and graphic design to web development and digital marketing, the online freelance world is booming. I'll share tips on how to find clients, set your rates, and build a successful freelancing career. 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Next up, we're diving into e-commerce and dropshipping. Learn how to create your online store, source products, and set up a dropshipping business. It's an exciting way to start your own venture without holding physical inventory. I'll walk you through the steps to get started and succeed in the competitive world of online retail. 3. Affiliate marketing and passive income. Now, let's explore the world of affiliate marketing and passive income. Discover how to promote other people's products and earn a commission. I'll share strategies to grow your affiliate income and create a stream of passive revenue. It's a fantastic way to make money while you sleep. And there you have it, your roadmap to making money online. Remember, success in the online world takes dedication, patience, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated with our latest tips and tricks.